And again, if you look at it, it becomes the second, third, fourth year progress with every student is to ultimately learn how to be a leader, which is to learn how to be a teacher. And they're all going through that process. And then, of course, as you were saying, you have the ones that are a little bit more mature, who are more of a product of the product, who are at a little bit higher level, who ultimately become the assistant instructors and the people who maybe even on to staff rank. I mean, yeah, staff levels if they're old enough. But all of them are learning that path. And you mentioned a minute ago the following the instructor around. Really, I think of it as kind of like you're the quarterback and you're huddling the team every 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes. You're pulling them in and giving them directions, giving them an explanation of what they're needing to do, putting them out into working on that, and then pulling them back together and giving them a little update on what needs to be fixed or what's going well and what comes next. And the structure of any class should probably be, if it's an hour class, it's going to be 10 to 15-minute chunks, maybe 12-minute chunks with a little huddle, and we put everybody back together in another little huddle. But that helps them learn what it is that they're doing well, what it is they need to focus on. The ones a little above them are then orchestrating small groups. The ones above them are maybe helping to orchestrate the class, and then it moves along, and ultimately up into black belt, they're running major events or orchestrating your testing process, et cetera, because they're gradually getting that additional responsibility.